Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, last week we had an update to the Google Chrome browser. We went up to a new version. And if you go to your Chrome browser and go into the upper right corner, three vertical dots, and help and about Google Chrome, you were pushed to version 126. But what also happened is that after that update happened, there was a second update that appeared on June 13th that was rolling out through the weekend. Brings your version to 126.0, that's 6478.71, or 62. And I'm sure we're going to have something else this week. So this is as of June 17th right now. So they actually had some bug fixes go through. It seems that a few things weren't exactly right on version 126. So what they did is they simply put fixed a few bugs that were on that version of the Google Chrome browser. So nothing security, it's really just bug fixes. For some of you, it probably rolled out through the weekend. I haven't used Chrome and a lot of my PC through the weekend, so it didn't go through until today, Monday. So that's, it's not urgent, as it's just bug fixes. If your browser works fine, it should be okay. We are going probably to have the weekly security updates coming up this week, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So that will also be something we'll talk about. But for the rest, it's really just bug fixes right now. So no problem there on Google Chrome browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.